Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off direct messages on your Twitter app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. All you have to do is just go up, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just go down here, you click here on settings and support, then you click here on settings and privacy. Then it's going to take you to next window here. All you have to do now is just go down and you click here on notifications. Then you come to next step here and you click here on preferences. Then you come to this window here, you click here on push notifications and you go down here. So you just come here to direct messages. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean direct messages, it's on off now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.